सागारि जे इ थांनाय सालखिसा सिगां जे इउनिभार्सिटि आव ननतै कायसे प्रब्लेम माने पयलानसिम साग्रादि तानतै अबाहागे ओंखा
ka ang sanai ani Monday wo waiba ingmani do inke waiba khaipro ang 11:30 waiba ni rozak timing ani ke ang sociology o poribo mean sociology masters khaitongo Tiprasa University te moreover ani elective subject inke philosophy ingkha inke philosophy subject ni waiba tongo Monday wo inke timing roza 11 o'clock inke sir phaimani inke kishal lekha inke lermani inke means he came little late omono 11:45 was sogjak sir inke approach jung wait khaitongo sir ni cabin ni bairebo inke sir sao 5 minute kisa wait khaigadi apro pore ang phaigana means waiba nagana nini inke jung 5 minute wait khaitongo inke apro time already 12 engkha bartaka khata inke te pore waiba chini start engkha inke one by one thangai bisingo ani dolsong waiba roi tongo inke ani turn fro ang thanga ang second last osi because chini 5 jon boroksi tabo jo elective subject namane inke dui means 4 jon borai kasai sara inke ang last second last thanga thabe bisingo sir means sawo asokdi ang asoka inke ano sawo means nini signature rogadi means nini name shidi te pore roll number shidi inke ang sir no saka sir ang kasha nini pen de boro khaimago inke ano sawo I nadi inke ang pen nagai ani bomong by roll number shika te pore chini waiba start intong start waiba start pore means duita question chungu ang moni reply roi tongu inke sar te pore omo sawo ang kisa no person question chunga na nini figure belai khe nai thok inke nini nangtam khai nini figure omo maintain khai mani bagai inke ang sakai sir ang khe fashion model ngu te moreover omo ani hobby tongu ang modeling khayu moreover ang khe content creator through fashion media te pore ano shongu nini salade tong de kare inke ang saka sir I don't have my boyfriend right now age tongu tabo kare tabo ngani career focus khai tongu te moreover ani family members ni bagai kok sungka sa tong nini family members inke ang saka ani baba kare ani ama tongu ang saichung no te ani siblings kare te pore ano shongu nini o dress nungmani chiko dress nungmani belai khenai thok omoni ni fashion belai khenai thok tongu inke te pormora ano shongu nini hair color ni bagai songkha nini hair color belai khenai thok masangi tongu nini mukhang bai te moreover nini omo color bai moreover inke ano omo hake shongkho means mane nengtani Indian kurti chung phaijak nini omo style yana inke ang kuno reply rolia afro min chireng pai kha means lachi sing chang khata afro te pore nini omo size sung tongo ta figure ni size busuk ba hake te pore ang kuno reply rolia au time inke te pore ano sawo nini omo kisa tona nangu te pore inke ano sawo nini age je chala tongman inke physical intimacy dekhai jak nang ang afro kuno halia means lachi sang khata afro bu inke ang te means sir no kuno hali inke sir ano sawo physical intimacy use khaijak tam flavor use khaijak inke ang kuno halia de pore inke flavor ni bagai inke omo hake sawo ano flavor nile black hi taste phayo ta omo hake ang kuno reply sale I don't know sir omo hake sai rokha te pore ano sawo ni short dress by mini dress by nukna musung gonano means omon ang nini photo nu kha nini content belai khe nai thok nini profile belai ke nai thok yang khe kabangma chiko dress by nang baire buchu ota yang botani chu yang te moreover ano sawo ekta wo ning bishi horo late khe basawo inke ekta jolo tongo na na inke ang saka sir sometimes ang tongo because ani cash ni bagi or sometimes I know means web no suffering khayo ta means online hai na tongo ta YouTube na yo ma hai ki Instagram thongo omoni bagi tongo inke ano sawo any cash nam ke na ekta jarawo means ano ang free ngo afro call khaili ang kaisa no message na musungo borok no ang koi ni party ni oroya means na Tiprasa na moreover APP party I don't want any party to be involved here I just want justice people please come and help me I am not going through any party and whoever is trying to play regarding this through the party I said please stop these things I don't want any party to involve in this I just need justice if you are being justice if you want to be with me just please help me out and give me justice through. Normally I'm there with you, not just because of party. And moreover, one thing, the news has been spreading that I'm trying that my boyfriend is there in APP party. It's not true. I don't have any boyfriend, neither I'm supporting any party, not Tiprasa nor APP party, nor any sort of party. So I'll say please stop this political issue regarding me and making this issue as a political issue. Thank you.
Some people are saying that you are taking drugs, that's why you fell at university campus. So what will be your message?
Ani message umosi ani age nishimi anxiety attack tongu means age nishimi charai nishimi je be tension means anything problem ngu afro nishimi anxiety ta ngu ang drugs saya and your proof butongu doctor ni ang omo bufunu roga nanono tabo doctor by consult khaima ni ano sawo bishi tension nango omoni bake fending kha te moreover ang je asa ke accuse roi tongu omokre ang moreover te kaisa kok sana omo rape ya ang rape ke saya moreover it's sexually harassment khayu ano te kabama bure ba omo haino khaijak. Girls, I like to give one message to you all who have seen this message. I just want to say, whoever if this person stays right now in front of you and you're still be hidden behind this, please help me to raise the voice and come out. If it happens with you, it can be happen with anyone. It can be your brother, it can be your sister, anyone. Then what you will do? Are you still going to wait for them to let them rape or do something more drastic? I just want to convey this message. Guys, I'm not going through any parties. I'm just asking for my justice, what the sir has been doing. As a sir, he is a mentor for me. As a mentor, he is accusing me and sexually harassing me. After that, after this questions, he asked me another viva question, means another 2 questions. That time when I was replying, he was continuously staring my upper part, continuously focusing and that and looking at my upper part. After that, I gave my answer. I was feeling very awkward. I came out, I told my friends about it. My friends told me to complain, but I was not knowing any procedure, so I came back. So the more accusation is there. Some people say that why didn't I complain that time? Because I was having no idea. I was going through lots of stress, what to do, what to not do. Then I came to the class that time. After that, I attended the class. I was very confused. I was very numb, what to do, what to not do. My friend helped me through this to make and I should raise a voice. It's wrong. It's not right. So I did raise my voice. Lord, guys, I need your help to raise the voice.
Je borok tabuk no rape ungu hini sai tongnai borok nang ta message rena mosung
je borok ano sai tongo mo raping tongo and oro raping ya but sexual harassing. Sexual harass is also a part of being a rape. He did verbally rape to me. I'm not saying he did physically. I'm saying mentally abused me. Angomonos hana amo rape ya but sexually assault is also a part of a rape. Not physically but mentally. Stop this because it's not a rape case, it's a sexual harassment case. So I'll say don't add the term or accuse me just because the person has sexually harassed me, not raped me. He did not touch me physically, but he has accused me, sexually harassed me through his words, through his thinking, through his ideas. So I will say please stop use the word rape. He had that sexually harassment through his word. If he can harass through his words, then what else he can do? In later future, I would like to give another message. अगर वो मुंह से बोल सकता है तो वो बाद में भी कुछ भी कर सकता है इंसान. अगर जो तुम्हें देख के ही तुम्हारा कैरेक्टर को ऐसा जज कर सकता है तो तुम क्या करोगे फ्यूचर में? कोई भी मेरी जगह पे कोई दूसरी लड़की होती या कोई भी आपका बहन या भाई होता, उसके साथ ये चीज़ें हो रही थी, क्या आप चुप बैठे रहते? मेरा बस एक सवाल है, क्या आप चुप बैठे रहते? आप क्या उसको सपोर्ट करते? ऐसे प्रोफेसर को आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हो जो मतलब अभी भी पढ़ा रहा है, आपके साथ नहीं किसी और के साथ हो चुका है. काफ़ी लोग हैं, धीरे धीरे मेरे को एनोमस कॉल आ रहे हैं. अभी इतने सारे लोगों का मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि दी मेरे साथ ऐसा हो चुका है, वैसा हो चुका है. मेरे पास प्रूफ है, मैं प्रूफ को लीक करूँगी. तब आप बोलिए आप मेरे साथ सपोर्ट करेंगे. मैं एक क्लास में एक और मैसेज दूंगी, मैं किसी पार्टी के साथ में नहीं हूँ. बार बार मैं एक ही चीज़ बोल रही हूँ, मैं किसी पार्टी के साथ में नहीं हूँ. ना APB, ना त्रिपुरा मोथा और ना कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। मुझे सिर्फ जस्टिस चाहिए। लोग प्लीज़ मेरे को हेल्प करो, मेरा सपोर्ट करो, बस वही चीज़ के लिए बोलूँगी। और प्लीज़ मेरा नाम पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इसमें प्लीज़ मत डालिए कि पॉलिटिकल इशू मत बनाइए इस चीज़ को।
ताबुक सुख जरातै निनी कॉलेज नि निनी यूनिवर्सिटी नि माने आयांग फाइसिंग तिन तामो हेल्प खालायगा यूनिवर्सिटी नि फाइसिंग तिन न
Tabuk jeng mani tabo asa khe justice tini ang Mia yesterday I got hearing from the court. I went and I gave my witnesses. My mom gave my witnesses. Then after that I came back to the university. There we had a council meeting. They called me. I gave them meeting. Council meetings how ano means tam no khaine punishment rona musung or forgiveness khaina musung. I said sir, ma'am, I need strict punishment that sir should not teach anymore because professor ni darja tamba professor mane guru, a teacher who can teach a student, a teacher who give knowledge. This type of knowledge do we want? I want to ask, this type of knowledge we are getting from a sir who was trying to harass a student. I'll just request people, like this type of professor should not exist in anywhere. He should not. The degree, the professor degree, it's a huge degree. Who is teaching? Who is trying to harass student? That should, you are accepting that as a teacher? That's what my question. And today I went again to my department, like their teachers, like all the student of philosophy student. I have one question. You're supporting your teacher, do support. I'm not saying don't support your teacher, but I want to ask one question. Without knowing any reason, without knowing my statement, without any legalization, you are accusing me that I am putting a false statement towards your teacher. What will be the reason? मैं क्यों बोलूँगी आपके टीचर को? मेरा क्या ज़रूरत है? मैं एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हूँ। मेरा क्या ज़रूरत होगा मेरे को ये सब बात बोलने का? क्या दिक्कत होगा? मेरा ना टीचर से कोई दुश्मनी है, पढ़ने के लिए यूनिवर्सिटी से, तो मेरा क्या ज़रूरत होगा कि मुझे ये सब करना पड़े? मैं एक लड़की होके मैं अपना को खुद क्यों बदनाम करूँगी? आप ही बोलिए, एक लड़की होके खुद को क्यों बदनाम करेगी? वो टीचर ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया है, मैं उसी के लिए हक के लिए जवाब मांग रही हूँ। और आप मेरे को ब्लेम कर रहे हो कि मैं झूठा सवाल फैला रही हूँ। मेरे फोटोज़ को लेके आप मेरे को उल्टा गाली दे रहे हो, शिनाल बोल रहे हो, क्या क्या नहीं बोल रहे हो। ये सही है क्या? एक लड़की के साथ में एक लड़की को छोटे कपड़े पहनती है तो इसका मतलब क्या वो कैरेक्टरलेस हो जाएगी? इस हिसाब से तो सारे जितने भी लड़के शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस पहनती है, क्या वो कैरेक्टरलेस हो गई? अगर एक लड़की मॉडर्न है, क्या वो कैरेक्टरलेस हो गई? उसका हरकत अगर ऐसे हैं तो क्या कैरेक्टरलेस हो गई? मेरा बस एक ही सवाल है, मेरे साथ जस्टिस सपोर्ट करो। सच के साथ में मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रही। मैं झूठ क्यों बोलूँगी? कोई रीज़न तो होना चाहिए झूठ बोलने का। अगर मेरा कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है सर से, मैं पढ़ने के लिए गई वहाँ पे, सर ने मेरे साथ ऐसे किया, प्रूफ मांग रहे हो ना? प्रूफ है मेरे पास। वाइवा के टाइम पे आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि मैं उस टाइम पे कैमरा जाऊँ। किसी लोगों का मैसेज आया कि वाइवा के टाइम पे कैमरा होना चाहिए। कैसे कैमरा लेके होगा? कैसे मैं रिकॉर्ड करूँ? कैसा विटनेस दूँ मैं आपको? वाइवा के टाइम पे कोई भी एग्जाम हो, उस टाइम पे फ़ोन अलाउड नहीं होता है, तो आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि मैं कहाँ से रिकॉर्ड करूँ? जो मेरे साथ हुआ है वही मैं आपको एक्सप्रेस कर रही हूँ। आप उसी में विश्वास नहीं करो तो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ आप लोग को? अब मेरे साथ हुआ है, आपके साथ भी होगा बाद में, तो आप भी आवाज़ नहीं उठाओगे तो कब उठाओगे आवाज़? बस इतना ही बोलना चाहूँगी, मेरे साथ सपोर्ट करो। मैं किसी पार्टी के साथ में नहीं हूँ। आई जस्ट नीड योर सपोर्ट एंड केयर एंड लव, दैट्स ऑल। जे मेसेज मामा नेके सर भूपेश नो सस्पेंड खाइजाक ताबो ते उनखामाया until the vice chancellor will call him, until the case is going on, he won't able to enter the campus.
Hoy mas ni bagay ko suspend Khaijak Kha.
Omoless haimiak ho, but until the case is going on, he won't able to enter the campus anymore. He won't able to make study. Means teach khaimiyata. Oh my god. Suspend letter ang no purungana.